Namaste. Thank you for considering a trip of your lifetime with Earthbound Expeditions. So today we are going to talk about the gear list that you should carry to do your trek to Himalayas or Mount Kailash. And also we are going to present you, or we are going to show you what gear that we provide and what should you bring. So these are the things that we will going to be explain this afternoon. These are the sample of the gears for your trekking or hiking holidays in Nepal, Himalaya or Mount Kailash of Tibet. Some of the guest house already have a good blankets. So in that case, we provide this sleeping liner, which will keep you warm and cleaner. Then we provide the jacket, a puffy jacket that goes down to minus 20 degrees centigrade. If you have your own jacket, you can bring with you. And these are the liner inside, inner liner up and down both. These are the t-shirts that generally we provide for you. This is comfortable for walking. This is the trekking pants. You can bring 2 or 3 of them. In the worst case, you can also buy them in Kathmandu. We provide you, this is from our side, we provide you the beanie. We also provide you the buff that goes around your neck. That will be used as a snood as well. Trekking hat, you need to bring with you to protect from the sun. The gloves, the thick one, and a thinner one also we recommend. These are the spikes that we will need if we have some snow in the mountain trekking areas. Not needed all the time. These are the sunglasses that we'll be needing. These are the raincoat, rain poncho that we provide you. We provide you this. These are the water, a camel bag that can go into your backpack, or you can bring the 1 liter, 1.5 liter water bottle. These are the small pouches. It's easy for you to pack your things. You can come with your backpack, or we provide you the duffel bag to use. And inside these duffel bags goes all your trekking gears. Then you will need a sun cream. Of course, the sun is very bright here. You are on the roof of the world. Then you will need the trekking poles that we will provide, or you can bring your own. A day pack is needed for your day's stuff. Then of course the sneakers for morning or evening when you are not really hiking. Then the trekking shoes with a good grip we will really need with the ankle support. And then there are many brands like La Fuma or REI or many other brands that you can choose from. So not only these gears, then in the duffel bag you can find many other gears, which is like your other pair of your socks, then the inner garments that you need, or some change cloth, some shorts or t-shirts, many other gears also you can bring. But these are the major gears that you will need really. And to be honest, many of those gears, if you forgot to bring, then we can also buy in Kathmandu. Very, very important is shoes that you should not forget, and it need to be braked one. You need to hike multiple times before you come to Nepal on those shoes. That's very important. Other gears, we can get the branded one, the real North Face one. Some of them are North Fake one. Many trekking gears you can get in Kathmandu also. Kathmandu is really a cool place, good place to hang out. So welcome to Nepal and to the Himalayas and Mount Kailash. And these are the gears that we would like to explain you. And we wish to have you a pleasant journey with us. Namaste. Thank you.